Hey, yo, I'm just the messenger. Don't kill the messenger, all right? But wearing some of this stuff kind of makes you unlikable. Maybe I am the origin of this story. All right, this is just my opinion, so don't get butthurt, but bro, I'm just trying to look out for you. Let's hop into it. Number one, deep V-necks. We already know. Deep V-necks have been out since 2007, bro. There is no reason why you need to be showing all that chest. Crew neck is the move. Two, too much cologne. Again, maybe it's just me. I'm a fragrance addict. Bro, I probably have like 30 bottles of fragrances. I love scents, but I don't love other people's scents. In other words, if you're in a working environment and you got somebody that's drenched in a fragrance, especially a fragrance you do not like, that's gonna be a headache. That's why I've always told you, you need to understand projections, right? For the most part, you want your scent to live about 2 to 4 feet from your circumference. That's a personal space. So when people step into that personal space and they find it pleasurable, they'll stay. If they find it unpleasurable, they'll just dip, right? You give other people that option. But if your projection is 10, 15 feet, it's just disrespectful to everybody else. 3, clothing that's out of context. See, I've always told you this. Your clothes, they send a message. I don't care if you want to or not. You are sending messages, subliminal messages all day long, and people are making micro judgments on that. If you are wearing clothing that's out of the context of the situation you're in, so if you're on a date, you pull up like a bum. If you have an interview and your shirt's not tucked in properly, or you're not even wearing a button down, right? That's you wearing clothing that's out of context, out of pure respect, and signaling to that other person that you're meeting with or spending time with that you actually want to be there. You need to wear the appropriate clothes. This also happens within seasons, right? Like if it's summer and you're wearing a hoodie, people are like, that's suspect, right? And vice versa. You need to learn how to wear clothing within context, not only for yourself and your comfort, but also to command respect and send the messages that you do want to send with whoever you're meeting with. And look, I get it. You want to be formal, you also want to be comfortable. This is where our new Essentials Polo comes in. Boys, we are 4 days away from our launch. This Saturday, July 23rd, this polo you've been seeing, I designed that purposely because I wanted something that was versatile like that I could go to an interview, also to a date, also just to run errands. And in the meantime, it's oversized. It's also comfortable. It's like that perfect polo that you can take from dressing up with trousers to dressing down with oversized denim, and it just works. I want you to find another piece like that. That's why this collection, it's like I want to call it like not versatile, it like morphs, and it just fits perfectly into a true essential. A true essentials. Boys, this collection is the sickest collection we've ever dropped, and we're going to do something insane. We're going to do a bundle. Look, it's limited. I'm going to be honest with you. It is limited. Chances are pro members are going to buy a lot of this on Friday. If you're on the main launch, you need to get to that website on 9:50 a.m. because by 10 p.m., and there's people on the site already flooding it, this stuff's going to fly. We're doing a bundle where you're going to get one polo shirt, our new smart trousers that also morph, right? Our new backpack that also morphs from a crossbody bag to a full backpack. Literally every single piece is just ultra versatile, right? We're going to do a bundle. Let's call it the morphing bundle. I don't know. We're going to call it something, right? That bundle, if you buy one of those bundles, not only are you getting one of each for the collection, which you'll never see these stuff again. It's probably going to fly. You're also going to get one free bamboo tee, one free Tencil t-shirt, and one free oversized tee. Those 3 t-shirts, that 3-pack of tees, I'm giving to you completely free. Those are our 3 best-selling t-shirts in that order. Bamboo, Tencil, and oversized, actually. The best-selling t-shirts. We've sold easily over 500,000 of those tees. I'm going to send them to you, 3 of them, for free for every bundle you get. This is the most insane offer we've ever done. It's limited stock, too. I think there's only about 1,500 of these bundles, which means it's probably going to be gone in like 5 to 10 minutes. So if I were you, I'd put a reminder on your phone. You'll never see an offer like that again, bro. Not on a launch. 4, wearing glasses indoors. Again, it's just disrespectful to everybody else. When you wear sunglasses, it's for one reason only, to protect your eyes from the sun's damage. Unless you have some sort of medical condition, which obviously that's fine, that's the exception. But for 99% of the people, when you're wearing glasses indoors, you're just trying to look cooler than everybody else, when in reality, you're just annoying everybody. 5, fake jewelry. I've talked about this before. Similar to fake designer, fake all this, fake Gucci, fake. You need to understand, when you're buying this stuff and people say, oh, I buy it because I like the design. No, you don't. You buy it because you know it sends a subliminal message that you got it like that, but you really don't got it like that because it's fake. So instead of projecting something that you're not, you got two options. One, I've always talked about, I don't even really care about designer. Most of the stuff that I wear is not designer because you don't need designer to look good. So focus on looking good on a budget. Or two, work your ass off to buy the real stuff so people know that you do got it like that. Which actually rolls me to number 6, branded designer head to toe. See, this is what I'm trying to get you to understand. Even the dudes that do have it like that, nobody likes when you see them in Fendi from head to toe. It looks tacky. And yeah, the dude has like 3 million on him, including jewelry, but nobody cares. It's still annoying. Nobody actually respects it. And this is why I've told you, you can dress good, better than that, from Walmart for like 60 bucks. I've showed it to you. I've done it myself. And people will probably think you're more attractive. And you're going to spend pennies compared to a freaking designer, bro. Your boy's out.